Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Hamster Kombat account. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. Once you do this, all your game progress, achievements, and any purchases you've made will be gone forever. So, make sure you're absolutely sure before moving forward. First, open the Hamster Kombat app and let it fully load. Once you're inside the app, look for the settings icon. This icon is usually in the top right corner of your screen and it looks like a gear or a cogwheel. Tap on that icon to open up the settings menu. In the settings menu, you should see an option that says Delete Account. Tap on this option and a confirmation message will pop up. The message will inform you that all of your game data will be permanently erased if you go through with the deletion. If you're absolutely sure that you want to delete your account, tap on Delete in the confirmation message. After that, your Hamster Kombat account will be permanently removed and all your data will be erased. And that's how you delete your Hamster Kombat account. If you have any questions about Hamster Kombat, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out. His website.